Kia Sting is fitted with our full dynamotive exhaust, so that includes basically from the turbos back. Secondary cat delete is also involved in that. We do have 100 cell high flow cats in the dump pipe, full stainless system, and then it's got a bimodal rear mufflers on it that's controlled through the drive modes in the Unichip. So as you've probably seen, you change tunes in the Unichip through your drive modes. It works the same way with the exhaust. Sports custom, obviously it's your more aggressive tune, so the exhaust is open all the time, through to like eco and your smart modes where it's shut up to a certain RPM. It'll always open at full throttle or higher in the RPM because you don't want a build-up of exhaust pressure and hot gas up against the bimodal because it can cause a spring to rattle and damage the motor itself.
What are you going to do for us now?
We'll do a couple of drive-bys.
Yep.
Hopefully it picks up the sound pretty well. They'll just be at sort of half, a third, half throttle, showing what it's like at cruise or under a slight load with the exhaust shut and then with it open. Anything I do at full throttle, it'll be open.
Can you just do me, one full throttle one right at the end with it open?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah? Shut?
Shut.
Well, hopefully you picked up on that.
So I'll do the first one closed.
Yep.
This is more for you now. I'm going to go past you closed.
Yep.
And then I'm going to go up and do a U-turn closed.
Yep.
And then I'll come past again open.
Yep.
And then I'll do a U-turn and go past again open.
Yep.
And the last one will be full throttle open.
Yeah, perfect. I'm just looking forward to the last one. I want to hear this thing at full noise. Love the Kia Stinger. It's actually really quite pleasant. It's really, really nice. No drone. It sounds nice. It's quiet. It's exactly what you want with the exhaust system shut. In my opinion, you're on the other side of the screen. Realistically, it's hard to tell with this little microphone. Oh, he's coming back. That's a bit better. I mean, that's the exhaust system open. That gives it that note. It's got that aggressive sound behind it. Really keen. Oh, such a good exhaust system. Hang on, he's coming back. I mean, hopefully that gives you a good indication. Hopefully it works through the mic. I'm using, a gimbal proper microphone rather than what I'd usually use. Now he's going to give it full throttle. Let's have a watch. My favourite one. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That is why you need to get this exhaust system. I am not sure if you heard that through this microphone on that side of the camera, but that is explosive. It sounds so good. And that's why so many people buy this exhaust system. But this video was just to show you the difference of what the bimodal is, how it actually works. Hopefully, now you get an understanding of it. Thanks for watching. Peace. How was that?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's amazing, man. Of all the cars that we've done here, nothing beats the sound of a Stinger with a dynamotive exhaust, bimodal with high flow 100 cell cats. I've got to go inside and change because I just jizzed in my pants.